Okay, here we have Ottawa Fire Services pump 12 being repaired on, or it's just been repaired at Station 11. There's mechanical support right there. Car 10's just down there. I don't know where the tower is, but should be coming back shortly. So there's pump 12. I know what the problem is with it, but it's currently being repaired. So yeah. Yeah, so it might be fixed or it might not. And I see 11B is gone. Wait, what? I don't know if the 11B crew's on or not, but I think 11B is gone. Might be gone to 44, who knows. But it's not there, but car 10, pump 12, 11A's back there. Mechanical support. I believe that is mechanical support number 3. But I don't know. Anyway, that's, yeah.